Tuiles are thin decorative biscuits for the embellishment of fine dishes. The name tuile originates from the French word for tile, as the first tuiles resembled them. To produce tuiles of uniform shape and thickness, you will need a template. We supply templates with a variety of shapes, from romantic hearts to rustic autumn leaves. Using a template will enable you to make tuiles quickly and easily. Here are a few examples of tuiles. You may well display your tuiles in a far more imaginative way than you can see here, but the pictures will give you some idea of their appearance. The autumn leaves template must be mentioned. Some customers have reported that their dinner party guests actually thought they were real leaves. That was until the host ate one. Visit our website to order templates and peruse the many free recipes.